Hey guys, I'm back. Don't know how long I'll get to record. It's almost dark now. But I'm quickly going to show you how to set a squirrel feeder out of a bird feeder. Just you might want to get some peanut butter. Set it right here. Yeah, put it right here. Get some peanut butter, spoon of course, and a bird feeder. Take it and smell like peanut butter. Take it, just take your finger, and you want to just take it and smear it up on there good. Push it kind of in there this way to get all on it. Up under it. You should be able to see this. And then you do the same to the other side. I would put bird seed in it too, on the sides, but I don't have any bird seed right now. Gotta get some this weekend. So you just smear it on like that and get a little messy and all over the place. All on it, and you should see some. And the rest, just take it and kind of wipe it on it and wash that off. And close the lid. Pull it down like, sorry about that. Pull it down like that. Now we have us a squirrel feeder. And I'm just walking over here without my gun. You can't see much, so I'm gonna hold it. Well, rats, I can't barely see. No, I got a trap like right over here. You guys can't see that good at all. I didn't know it would be that bad. But find you a good branch. See, this I would say would work, but it's not, because they'll rip that right off. I'd say put it on like this, right on a good branch like this, and slide it down. This way should attract them. Pretty nice. Sorry it isn't that bright out, but hold on a second and I'll get it bright for you. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Alright, now I got the video with my phone right here. I'm just doing it for the flash though. And so yeah, get a good branch like that, bird feeder, put it smeared all up on it. Don't really put it in the inside, and then there you go, all over it like that. It's good bird feed. I would put bird seed in, but I don't have any. The branch with a squirrel won't get it off. And it's about all really. So this was, see, it's really dark until I shine the light on it. But yeah, just kind of smear it all up on there like that. It'll be just fine. Something probably squirrel come get it. So, and I don't think you're gonna take it off, but not many squirrels really been over on this side yet. So I'm gonna try to get some. So that was how I set a squirrel feeder. So how to set a squirrel feeder out of a bird feeder. So thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe. I don't just make stuff like this, make it because I hunt and want to track some squirrels to kill. So thanks for watching though, and I got more videos you should check out, so just letting you guys know that. And it's right at dark now, getting a little warmer, 6:05 right now, so that's good. So see another video, and I'll talk to you guys later. It's right over there. Hopefully I'll come out here and see a squirrel on it one day, or a nice bird or something. So see you guys later.